Hey, it's Dominique.
And I'm Chef Adrian.
And you're watching
Cooking with the Cousins.
All right, so it's the holidays still.
It's the holidays.
Hey, we're just getting started.
Her favorite time of year.
I love the fall and winter time. I love the season with the family. The kids are laughing.
The smells.
The smells of pumpkin spice. The smells of cinnamon and peppermint. And the smells of what you're making
My
in the
kitchen.
The kitchen. So I told him, we had a little challenge. I said, look, I will try to cook a little bit more this season because within our business, we're always out doing events. It's our busiest season, but we do have to take time to like be together and spend time together during this holiday season. So I said, hey, what if I cook a little bit more for you? Just a little. So here's what we're doing. What am I making today?
Today we're making a pomegranate rosemary roasted Cornish hen. We're gonna finish it with a little nice pomegranate and rosemary glaze as well.
Ooh,
Well, I said we. She.
She? Me?
You.
Who, me?
That's who.
Not you.
Nah. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Ready to get it in?
All right,
All right.
hands are clean.
So-
I'm ready to go.
What we're gonna do is you're gonna start, I want you to quarter this. You're gonna cut this pomegranate this way, and once again the other way.
All right, I can quarter.
All right, quarter. I'm not gonna watch how she cuts because
He hates the way I
she
cut.
does not like me critiquing her, but
No,
I don't want her to cut herself.
If you critique me, I'll stop cooking. So do not watch. This is not the way to probably cut, but I'm getting it done.
It works.
Okay, so quarter it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You're gonna half an onion. So what you're gonna do?
This is good.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna take maybe one of those,
One of
the
these.
half an onion,
Okay.
and the sprig of rosemary, and stuff it inside that bird.
Oh,
Yeah, you gotta stuff it inside that bird.
I'm not
You gotta-
stuffing it in its lady bits.
No.
This is weird.
Oh, look. Jeez. I can't stop. Oh, that hurts. Okay.
I don't know what you want me to do. So I'm going to stuff this. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Oh, man. Okay. The whole onion?
Yes. And then the rosemary.
Okay. Gosh. My mama might be watching this show. Okay?
Oh,
My mama
Lord.
might be watching my show. Okay?
Now we're gonna finish it with these pomegranate seeds here.
Like all. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So do
Not
I
all
stick
of
my
them.
hand
Yeah,
in there?
Stick your hand in there.
Stick
grab
my
some-
hand in.
Yep. Stick your hand in there.
This is
She's
See?
never stuffed a turkey either. I mean,
I just think that this is wrong on so many levels.
it's so right.
Okay.
A little bit more pomegranate
Little.
in there.
Do you want me to pour the juice
No,
in?
no,
it?
no. Actually, no. You're good. You're
Can I
good.
put the
That's
juice?
good. That's
Okay.
good. That's good. That's good. All right. Move that one to the side. You're gonna do the same thing with this lucky guy right here.
Okay.
Step 2.
Okay.
You're gonna take this. It's a mixture of
can you roll up my
butter.
sleeves,
Yeah, I
please?
got that for you.
I like this sweater. It's
Room
kinda nice.
temperature butter.
Room temperature butter.
You got some chopped rosemary,
Yep.
salt, pepper, and garlic powder.
Pepper and garlic.
Yep. Then you're gonna rub the outside of those birds just like that. Just massage it. Give it. You stuffed it. Now you
You
gotta
want
massage it. Come on. Get your hands in there.
You want me to massage?
You gotta massage. You gotta
Or-
become
or
one
lady-
with the bird when you
or
do
lady
this. Okay.
parts. Oh God.
Yeah, get it all. Oh my God, this gonna be a good bird.
I don't know how I like you talking about this bird.
That's gonna be a good bird. Them legs, rub them thighs. Yes.
So, like, out of my element. Okay.
Now, what I like about the holiday is when you do your food.
This?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Now we might have mentioned it once before, but we really are big on. We really are big on color, making sure like things look good, Because you want, you know, people eat with their eyes first.
First.
You know, so
That is true.
So having, you know, like bright colors or, you know, just like holiday inspired colors. That's like I like to say it. So it looks very appetizing,
Yes.
I guess, to some.
So we're gonna
It's
throw
really
this.
uncomfortable for me. Let's go.
We're gonna throw this in the oven.
Okay.
450 degrees until you get it to the color you want it to be. You want it a golden brown, so it gets a little crisp to it. Then we're gonna pull it out, add our liquids to it, cover it up with foil, and let it cook all the way through.
All right, so we're putting in the oven.
Let's wash them hands. Ew, you look. Ew. So we got our chicken out, and we reduced our sauce with our brown sugar.
So good.
So your job is to go ahead and glaze not paint.
Paint? Yeah,
Glaze.
paint.
You're gonna glaze them with this sauce here.
I love paint.
Make sure you get every square centimeter of that bird with that luscious sauce.
I just made that up. All right, I don't know. Me and this bird has had a difficult relationship.
I think I'm getting jealous of the bird.
Oh, stop. Are you kidding me? Lord have mercy. They're getting the little nooks and crannies under the armpits.
Mm-hmm.
So once we've glazed it, then
We're gonna show you how to plate this.
Okay.
So we're gonna plate it. You see my little chicken plate, my little rooster plate here?
You can use any kind of plate.
You can use any kind of plate.
Holiday. Now, what did you do? It looks like me like you painted.
A little streak
Like
on
paint?
there. Nothing.
Like a paint streak?
No.
He painted. Okay, so these are the roasted pomegranate quarters.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So we're gonna take one of these birds right here. This is Martha. You gonna take Martha? Cut it right down the middle.
Ooh. By the way, this is very keto friendly as well.
Well, no.
No.
The sauce and the pomegranate.
Sauce. Okay, maybe it's not so much. Fair enough, but still very tasty. Oh, look, he always has to plate it real nice and fancy. You do
And
realize
voila.
this is not for a client of ours. This is just for us to eat on Wednesday night. You know, just hanging out.
Just hanging out.
Game night.
I want my food to look good too.
That is true. Well, again, as you guys take a look at that, remember a reminder, you guys, that we do have our baskets, our Chef Adrian's baskets that you guys can get right now. Go to the link that's at the bottom attached to this video after you like and subscribe, and you can get one of these baskets for you that would be paired well with this meal. Okay. Don't forget, we've got our family package, which is great chocolates, great, different wines. And then we also have a, what was it? Oh, the foodie basket is amazing as well. Great deluxe meats and cheeses that goes great. Wines that also go with this as well. And then we have our VIP has the Dom Perignon.
The Dom P.
Dom P. It goes amazing with this. So this is something that you can get for yourself. Treat yourself. Do something nice or give a gift for the holidays. Make sure you guys get it today. But don't forget, like, subscribe. Because as always, my name's Dominique.
And I'm Chef Adrian.
And you were just watching
Cooking with the Cousins.
Bye.
Have a
Happy
good one.
holidays.
It's time to eat.